Day 4, Chiang Mai. It's been a weird morning because I was up all night.
I slept.
Because there were fireworks literally right outside our Airbnb. But they were there till like maybe 6 in the morning. Like just people just still celebrating from the festival. But that's cool, it's fine. Took a little nap, we went to a market, got some good photos.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna get now we're gonna get some food. And then we're going to a cooking class today. So we'll see how that goes. They're gonna pick us up from our Airbnb.
Which is
Are you ready?
There's a 7-Eleven on that corner. There's a 7-Eleven right there. Wow. This place lives on 7-Eleven.
It's so pretty. Look how pretty this is. If we retire here, you have to get me flowers every morning.
Papaya!
Literally can't get any more fresh than this.
The papaya was skinned alive. You trying to make that when we get home? So we just got back from the market. We got some, what was this called?
Papaya salad.
Papaya salad.
Spicy papaya salad.
Some bananas and coconut milk. Ooh. I got a hot dog. Okay.
I want you to try this.
Okay.
Careful with the sauce.
It's gonna be spicy. That's delicious.
Yeah, right? She put a full pepper in there. I told her a little spicy, so I think she usually does 2 or something.
She probably did a small pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's delicious. It's like
right?
It's like a tomato salad.
It's like fresh, but it's spicy.
Not as spicy as this morning. Definitely not as spicy as the cow soy this morning.
No, you don't think so?
Mm-mm.
That's good. Maybe I had too much juice on the spoon.
Maybe. I'm gonna try my hot dog on a stick, because everything's on sticks.
That looks good.
It's a hot dog.
Yeah.
It's literally a Frankfurt.
And to get rid of the taste of the papaya salad, bananas and coconut milk. This is a really sweet dessert. That's really nice.
That's our lunch.
You ready?
We're in the market, buying some some veggies and stuff.
For a cooking class?
For cooking class. Woo. Sit in some limes. Just limes.
We did it.
We're sat on the limes.
Sat on the limes.
It's been sat on. Especially with the fire.
Okay, for my group this time, put on your apron, please. You put on your apron. And Rio.
Just finished the cooking class.
Yep.
So what do you got?
some green curry, some cashews and chicken, and well, there was pad thai there, but it's not there anymore. And mango salad.
Okay, how do you rate it?
Like amazing.
This is definitely my best dish here. Anything to say to my friends back home?
Hello. Please come to join us. And we give you the special bouquet.